to crush you when I was little. And I still do.
He's like, I just want to eat you.
I'm so happy for you and your family. I know how much you love them.
He ate half a chip. No bunny.
I'm gonna download these videos down onto my YouTube.
Much love.
Fine.
You know that I love you very much. To me, you take the life by the brain. And I'm so proud of you. I love you very much.
Did you guys watch Snoop and Scoop?
Just Snoop.
Oh, Scooby Run or something?
No, we only felt like watching Snoop because he was thanks
It's
the
funny
most.
how
Oh, yeah.
anytime I was feeling stressed out,
Does he smell better?
Yeah, it smells like fruit.
Oh.
Right, Amber?
you know exactly what to say.
Oh my God.
It was like this side. I'm definitely in contact.
Excuse me. Hi, bunny. Hi, bunny. Look right there. I can see him.
The shot's empty.
Thank you so much. So inspiring to this period.
Each one of you represents, it's a big part of my life already. You see?